the girl at Buckles. This is how she was doing it. Oh my god, yeah, I just like love my hair. I just like love it. It's like so cute. Oh, and my headband is like totally tubular. And guess what? This morning I like got up with these like short shorts on, and then I'm like, oh my god, that looks like so cute. And then after that, I put on this like headband, and then it's like, oh my god, it's like totally tubular. And then after that, I put on my boots. They look like so cute. And then after that, this girl, her name, I think her name was Alexis, and then she walked in and said, is there any more headbands? She said, I'm sold out because those things are totally tubular. And then after that, she said, I had a boyfriend, and he called me up and he said, hey, you can go out. And then she said, no, I'm getting dressed. And then after that, she hung up, and then after that, she got her lipstick. And then this is how many lipstick she had. And it was like so dark, and I'm like, and then she thought this was all that. She thought all that was potato chips. And then after that, and then I just looked at her, She thought she was all that. And I'm like, So thank you for listening. Bye. Try not to laugh.